Google's got something epic cooking. It's called Gemini. Get ready for an AI showdown as Google's Gemini takes on GPT-4, the AI superstar. Google's Gemini AI is like a superhero chatbot that's smarter than the rest. It combines two superpowers, the skills of AlphaGo and the language talents of big models. Demis Hassabis, the genius behind Gemini, spills the beans. Gemini is like a mix of AlphaGo and super language skills, plus some cool surprises. Wondering how Gemini works? It's powered by special algorithms that help it understand what people say and chat back. Thanks to Google's big brain of information, Gemini might outshine other AIs. Just think, Gemini could be a chatbot, a data whiz, and even control software using everyday words. Here is what you can expect from it. Conversational chatbot. Gemini can hold natural language conversations with users. It can understand what you say and respond just like chatting with a friend. Problem solving. One of Gemini's superpowers is its ability to solve problems. It can analyze information and come up with solutions to various challenges. Planning assistance. Need help planning your day, a project, or even a big event? Gemini is your go-to assistant for creating plans and strategies. Image creation from text. This is a truly magical ability. Gemini can take descriptions in words and turn them into images. It can understand what you describe and visualize it. Data analysis. Gemini can help you make sense of data. It can analyze charts, graphs, and other data formats to provide insights and summaries. Software control. Using natural language commands, you can ask Gemini to control software. It's like having a virtual assistant that understands your instructions. Support for chatbots. Gemini can provide support to other AI products like Google's Bard chatbot. It can enhance the capabilities of various AI-powered services. Rivalry with other AI tech. Gemini is geared up to compete with other AI tech brands like ChatGPT. It's designed to stand out and be a strong contender in the world of AI. Innovation and advancement. Gemini is also intended to push the boundaries of AI research and development. It aims to introduce new and innovative features to the field. Potential future functions. As Gemini continues to develop, it may uncover even more functions and capabilities that could surprise us in the future. Hold tight. Gemini is stepping into the AI arena. GPT-4 and Microsoft's bots are in for a challenge. Get ready for an AI showdown as these tech giants battle it out. But what about AI's future? Demis Hassabis believes that Google can guide AI's development responsibly. He wants Google to work with other companies and governments to set rules for safe AI. Remember, powerful AI needs careful handling. So, tech explorers, as we journey into the world of AI, remember, Gemini is just the start. Google's boosting AI to a new level, making the future exciting. Let's watch as AI evolves and takes us into amazing places we've never imagined.